Watch my dog go full diva.
Sit. Good boy.
Can you say I'm so bad? Luna, say but I don't care. Okay, last one. Say I'm the best.
I think I finally did it. I wore him out. I win. You crazy ass dogs. We've been at this for about an hour. You son of a bitch.
Come here, bud.
You can't eat chocolate. Last time you had chocolate, you had 5 Easter eggs and ended up at the vets, didn't you? Look at Chester! Get!
Hello, motherfucker.
Come here. Come here. Who did that? Is that you? Who did that?
Luna, do you love Ginger? Yes, you do. But she loves you, Baba. Do you love me? What about Mama? Wow.
Baby to go in the wash. He looks so sad.
Pek kardeş gibi. Abla pek kardeşe benzemiyor ama.
Вставай! Ремус! Вставай! Пішли. Ану, злазь. Я до кого? Я до кого кажу злазь? Ремус, пішли. Вставай. Вставай. Ремус, тобі не стидно? Тобі не стидно? Злазь. Пішли. Давай.
Nào. Cứ sao không? Không biết chuyện gì đâu. Không có luôn. Dạ. Đi.
Okay.
First time and freak the fluff out.
Luna, Baba, you ready to educate some people? Is it true pit bulls are vicious? No. Yeah, I thought so. You're far from it. Is it true pit bulls have lockjaws? No. Would you ever harm a baby or any person in general? No. You sure? Is there such thing as a bad dog? No. No. What about bad owners? Yes. Yeah, I know about it.
Excuse me, sir. Can I help you? What would you like today? A treat? Here you go. All right. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Don't even think about it. Just name it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Velociraptor.
Who's the one guy you would sleep with?
John Stamos.
Come, my little friends, as we all sing a happy little working song.
Can you say Nemo? Can you say Lightning McQueen?
Bloop.
Nikki.